how's it going? It's been a while. It's been like 6 months. I haven't been doing anything to my cars. I haven't been driving. I had to make a bunch of life changes and just prioritize some things. So cars and YouTube and everything kind of got put on the back burner for a little bit. Long story short, I have not even touched the BMW. Haven't even started the BMW since I moved. I don't have a garage anymore, so everything's been kind of stored in the BMW, not really making it drivable or enjoyable to drive. We're gonna drive the car, and I have not driven it since I moved 3 months ago. In case any of y'all care, I like plants now. I know in the last YouTube video I mentioned a box, a big cardboard box, and that was going to be the next video. It was an angle kit. The BMW has an angle kit now. I'm gonna let whatever clips I got roll now, and I will see you after at my car. Welcome to the past, where my car has been on jack stands for the past week trying to get this angle kit in. I struggled a lot to get the old arms out, not necessarily like beating out the ball joints. That part was easy for some reason, but the inner ball joints on the subframe, I think just because this was a northern car and everything, they got seized. So I did what any normal person would do, and I cut the nuts off. Now I'm finally at the point where I have the angle kit in on one side, and now it's feeling real. Behold, BMW finally has an angle kit. And I went ahead and like took out the fender liner. That is what all of that is. But yeah, I am super stoked. I just need to get in alignment after this, and then she's gonna be ready to drive. I'm going to give you guys back to future Kate now. Anyways, BMW's here. Yeah, she has not been driven in, like I said, like 3 months. Angle kit makes her look pretty snazzy up front though. I still need side skirt and a new bumper, but I need a driver mainly. As you can see, the Lexus is right there, and I haven't done much to this car really. I did the coilovers, I did the ball joints. I also got fancy taillights. Nice. BMW batteries are massive. After this, we should have power. Oh. Now for a moment of truth. Car is driving just as good as how I left it. I do need to put some air in the tires since it's been sitting for a little bit. So we're gonna do that, and then I think we're gonna give her a good wash because she is disgusting. She has cobwebs under her. The thing about Florida is, even in the shade, washing your car, you are sweating. Okay, engine bay is clean too. There were so many leaves and stuff all around there, and I don't like my car looking like it just sat for 3 months, but she is all clean now. I don't know if I'm gonna do anything else to the car today just because I don't really know what I could do with the time and space that I have right now. This very second, I don't have a day that I'm planning on driving yet, but now that I have the car running and driving again, I really want to drive because it's been 6 months. I didn't have to record this. Dang it. Are you recording?
No. It's recording.
Thank you. So long story short, I didn't have time to retrofit a sway bar, so I'm gonna go up in rate from 12K to 16K. Control arm doesn't sag as much as it used to, so when I took the coilover out, kind of had to do it in an unethical way, but it worked. I just literally maxed out the coilover, max low to shorten it so I could get it out of the knuckle.
First lap.
Feels weird. Like, I know I have more angle, but it's like, I don't know what to do and rain's not helping. So, Colby is about to drive my car because I am ass, so we're gonna see if it's me or if it's the car. He's like, what the fuck? Okay. Oh. Yeah, Colby. What's your experience driving it?
Doesn't drift.
Doesn't what?
Doesn't drift.
Nah.
Front end is holding something up front. Front end doesn't break loose once understeering, go straight.
Yeah. Okay, so it is still raining. Colby was having trouble kicking the car out, so you know that's a problem because he knows how to drive. We aired up both the fronts and the rears in hopes that that'll help drive the car.
good. Oh.
Hey, I'm good.
You almost hit it.
Oh, that's good.
Good. I meant to do that.
Okay, I'm kind of getting the hang of it. I just need to have balls. That event definitely did not go how I was expecting it to go, but it was fun regardless. I was just excited to be back out there driving no matter how much I struggled with it. I lost most of the footage where I actually drove good, but you know what? That just means I need to get back out there, not 8 months later this time. So the main thing was I learned that I need to beat the crap out of the car now. With the angle kit and everything, it just makes the car feel so much slower. It was just running on full clutch kicks and hopes and dreams. But yeah, I am super stoked. Having angle, yeah, it wasn't as magical as I thought the first laps would be with it, but I do see a difference now. I really want to try it in the dry because it rained the entire event, so I didn't get any dry laps in the car. But yeah, I know this video was a little all over the place, but I am excited to be back, and hopefully I'll be back soon. Obviously, the whole YouTube spiel. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a like. If you have any thoughts or advice or anything, leave it in the comments. I always love seeing what you guys think. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kate. I usually drift, but I haven't in 8 months, but now I'm back. If you thought the video was cool, you could subscribe. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you for all the love and support as always, and I will see you next time.